welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. My hair is like this because it's wash day, and I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my hair. So I usually part it in 4 and put 4 braids in, so it's easier to manage when it's wet. So stay tuned for the video, guys. It's not going to be a long video because I'm not doing my deep conditioning or anything like that today. I'm just using my shampoo and my conditioner, and then I'm gonna add some leave-in treatment and some rosemary water, and then I'm going to put my hair in some twists because it's hot and wearing a wig every day it's not going to cut it for me. So I'm gonna put my hair in some twists so that it is easier to manage. And plus, I'm trying to grow my hair because of my postpartum hair loss. So I'm going to cool it with the braids and then focus on growing back my edges. So stay tuned for the video, guys.
Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Wish I had this time to run to you, not run your life. Never wrong you twice. I wanna make things right. Maybe you take me. Hope you don't hate me. Don't want to fight anymore. Many times the silence hell. I wish that I could know all that you said. If you can't find the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder is the only people I'm gonna be when you tell me goodbye. You're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my palm. And I know for a fact who you are, it do we are. We are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be this fool that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any.
Guys, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I start the twist. So I'm going to spray some defense spray. I got this at the dollar store and it works very well. I bought it for my wigs and I tried it in my hair the last time I did my cornrows, and it worked well. My hair seems fine, so I'll just spray some in my hand, rub it together, and then I rub it on my hair. And I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair.
Hope you don't hate me. Don't want to fight anymore. Many times the silence hell. I wish that I could know all that you said. If you can't find the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder is the only people I'm gonna be when you tell me goodbye. You're probably thinking
have you in my palm. And I know for a fact who you are.
I'm finished blow drying my hair. I don't blow dry it with a lot of heat, so it's not going to be all that straight. I just do it for it to be more manageable and a bit stretched for when I do the twist. So I'm gonna start doing the twist now. Okay, this is where I am at now. I'm at the top, and I only been using this. This is the only thing I put in the hair. Apart from when I wash my hair, I did put some leave-in conditioner in there. But to do the twist, this is the only thing I used. And they are coming on fine. I love them so far. I need to do this one a bit tighter. But they are coming along fine. I love them. Then this is where my postpartum ear loss. It's kind of growing back. Not as fast as I would like. So this is why I am going to stop wear wigs for, I think, for like a month and see how it turned out. So I'm gonna add some mousse. I think we're gonna probably have to put some gel here or something like that. This one is not twisting properly. I'm hoping that I can be finished by 2. What time is it now? Look at my iPad. It's it's 1:51. I'm not finishing by 2. I don't know why I start the top so small. I should have kept the size that I had. Guys, I only have 2 leave. That is great. How is my parting? My parting is not good enough. So it's only these 2. Some mousse. Guys, I am now finished with my braids. If you stayed for the entire video, thank you for watching. I love how they turned out, and they are covering my postpartum ear loss. So I love how it turned out. They could have been smaller, but the next video I will try my best to do them a bit smaller. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Guys, this is all the ear I lost from washing my ear. But when I was taking on the braids, I did lose a lot more. But this is everything that I lost from the washing. It's not bad. Look at the shrinkage. Although They said that shrinkage is good. It means your ear is healthy. I know I need a trim, so I'm not sure my ear is all that healthy, but the shrinkage is real.
But it's the puffiness are coming, you know.
Yeah, the twists are fluffy, so that's good. I think it has to do with the mousse, but it turned out good.
Yeah, for the first time,
Yeah, it turned out good.
you recording?
You take me home.